Hello guys! Welcome to my mini vlog. Ngayon, isasama ko kayo sa pagbisita natin sa MV Dulos Hope. This is a floating library. You know what guys? MV Dulos Hope has arrived for the first time in Batangas City on 1991 and 2008. And now they are thrilled to come back here at the city.
Ayan, tayo na. Pasok na. Tayo na.
Yan, lapit na guys. Actually, nalakad pa tayo papunta sa mismong barko. Ito na siya. Napakalahan yan guys. And nung tayo na pumunta maraming tao as usual. Mga book lovers, maraming kids. Nga pala guys, you need to register online by searching on Google Dulos Hope Ticket. It will show right away po for your attendance. And here we go guys, pupunta na tayo sa paying ng tickets natin. And in our case, we have 3 adults, 1 senior, and 2 kids. So yung 1 adult is free, 2 kids is free also, basta below 12-year-old. Ito na guys, to settle na namin yung fees and we are up to the boat. Yan here is Stephen. Mamagaling oh. Solo daw siya. Keto. Oh. Look. Nice one, baby. O, diba? Isang akit pa. Tapos ang akit yata to, mga guys. Tingin-tingin pa Stephen dyan, no? And here we go. Ito na yung area which is kung saan nakalagay yung mga books na pwede makita, bumili at pasyalan. Yun guys, yung kanilang term fees. So, per unit yung babayaran nyo po. You can check on the clipboards everywhere. Yan, ito yung section na related sa Dulos and here I am taking selfies. Take selfies how much you want and whenever you want here. For souvenirs, diba? Siyempre, experience din to kasi tagal na rin sila babalik ulit sa future, diba? So, let's enjoy! Ito yung counters and mostly foreigners ang attendant and cashier nila guys.
Did you enjoy? Ha? Naglaro ka nag-play? Did you play? Wow, sabi mo, nice.
Nice.
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Kiss mo. Tingin. Babay na ka mo, babay.
Bye-bye.
Want the souvenir? Ay, thank you ka ba?
Yes.
Sabi mo, thank you. Sabi mo, babay na. Uwi na po.
Hindi na po.
Kiss mo na po, kiss mo.
Ayan na guys, dito na nagtatapos ang ating mini vlog. Thank you so much sa pananood. And don't forget to follow, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.